Hi, twins. We're playing with monster trucks. Ellie, here we go. This is Megalodon Tiger Star. And he's a monster truck. And he needs to go back to his place. There he is. Monster Mud and Megalodon, Tiger Dog, and Bopper, Crispins, Turtle, and Dragonoid, and Dragonoid, Megarabs, and Races, and Blue Dunner, and Sticker, and Piranha Bits, and Twilight, and Drake, and my blend new these twisting tribe and rainbow blast. Yeah! That's all my monster trucks.
That's so many monster trucks.
Yeah. I'm gonna race them up and this race track.
All right, show me.
This is Gravedigger, and this is Old Dry Up, and this is Piranha, and this is Acre. Nom nom nom, nom nom nom, nom nom nom, nom nom nom. Alright, we're done with your dinner. Let's line up all my monsters. All Twilight and Gravedigger will be this guy. Thanks for watching my pillow. Bye, Jen.